Because like, public, those high-key relationships, ang daming nagko-comment, ang daming nakikisaw-saw, or
They feel like they're
yeah.
involved.
Yeah,
no?
exactly. And it's like, just because you post it doesn't mean that you guys should get like a say in what's going on.
True.
So
I
yeah.
guess that's why maybe people tend to just go for the low-key route because they don't want any of those noise from other people, no?
Pero masaya rin kasi kapag low-key kasi
Ay, na-experience mo ba?
Siyempre. Pero alam mo yun, like, pag low-key kasi kayo, it's better kasi na hindi kayo nag-uusap ng masyadong problems mo like outside the two of you guys. Kasi na-affect talaga yung perspective mo sa...
True.
Gets.
And parang there are things that are meant to be na dapat within you guys lang. Yeah.
Minsan parang yung problems, mas nagkakaproblema kapag humihingi ka pa ng advice.
Yung isang problem mo, naging 2 times 2 times 2 times 2.
Oo, totoo yan.
No? Kasi ang dami ng thoughts na nakisawsaw nga.
Like for example, may nakita akong TikTok video actually. It was very educational about like advice. Parang sinasabi na there are problems that you guys should be the only ones to fix. Kasi when you ask your mom, you will always be your mom's daughter in her eyes. You're the baby in her eyes. So obviously she'd give advice that's best for you.
So parang may biases.